Well, coaching's got really multifaceted outcomes, whether it be to improve performance, improve your health and your lifestyle, to have confidence, or even to have role models. And coaching offers a lot of these outcomes through how a coach can change a life. And effectively, one of the things that we want here with our teaching is, yes, to improve technique and performance, but also to improve those life outcomes, which could be better British citizens and helping more people to be active for longer. One of the things we thrive upon is making sure there's opportunities for students to work within the football workplace. We work with a range of clubs, but one example is Walsall Football Club with their community and their academy. What we do is we embed their opportunities into the teaching, so whether it be as a placement or a work experience. And effectively with Walsall Football Club we found analysis placements, coaching and work in the community as exit routes for our students.
So the performance analysis side, what we do is we go and record the match of whichever team's playing. So for example, the under-18s played the other day. So we went down to their game, we set up all the cameras and tripods, we recorded it, and then once it's all finished we take it back with us and then analyse it, show the coaches what's happened, what needs improving, etc.
So recently we started our volunteer for Walsall Academy. Me and 3 other students are doing analysis for academy teams, and also we're doing some coaching as well with Walsall Academy.
I'm working with a Walsall College at the moment, and they've got a college team, so they'll be doing I think it's 16 to 19 16 to 19 full-time education, and then and they also play football against other teams that are following that education system, or like a college team. And then so I think they'd usually train twice a week and play a match every week against an opposition. So I'm there usually helping out for the coaching, and obviously getting my experience coaching with the lads that are older than 16, because it's not something I've worked on. So the unis are pretty much found me an opportunity where I can gain further experience into what I want to go into.